Cloud governance. The widespread availability of cloud computing services introduces a potential problem: a lack of organizational controls over employees engaging these services arbitrarily. Cloud computing represents a paradigm shift in organizational infrastructure, and while it offers significant advantages, it also introduces new security and privacy challenges. We clarify roles and responsibilities between clients and cloud providers, implement audit mechanisms, and maintain a flexible risk management program to ensure security and privacy in cloud computing. With our support, clients can fully embrace the benefits of cloud computing while safeguarding their data and meeting regulatory requirements. Improved security. Proper cloud governance ensures adherence to security best practices, reducing the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive information. Mitigation of shadow IT. Cloud governance helps identify and manage shadow IT, reducing the risk of unauthorized cloud usage and potential security vulnerabilities. Scalability and flexibility. Proper governance ensures that cloud solutions can scale up or down as needed, providing flexibility to meet changing business demands. Data protection. With stringent data protection measures in place, cloud governance helps safeguard critical data and intellectual property from unauthorized access or loss.